Equivalent fractions. Here are two sports fields. One has been split into 2 equal halves. The other has been split into 4 equal quarters. If the grass on one half of both fields is cut, we can see that 2 quarters are equal to 1 half. They are equivalent fractions and represent the same amount. We can simplify 2 over 4 by dividing the numerator and the denominator by 2 to make 1 over 2. This fraction wall shows us other equivalent fractions, such as 2/6 and 1/3. 2/6 and 1/3 represent the same amount. 3/6 equals 1 half. 8/12 equals 2/3. Let's try a question about equivalent fractions. In the zoo, 3/12 of the parrots are green. How else could this be written as a fraction? Use the diagram below to help. The possible options are 3/4, 1/4, 1/3, and 3/9. We can see from the diagram that 3/12 of the parrots are green. We need to find another fraction that is equivalent to 3/12. We can divide 3 and 12 by 3. 3/12 is equal to 1/4. Watch out! The diagram also shows the fraction 9/12 or 3/4, but this is the fraction of red parrots, not green parrots.